So y'all just gonna leave my boxes right here. What is this all about? Man, come on. Alright, so this I think is the iPhone 13 Pro. And then I got the wife, the regular iPhone 13. So let's open this. This is ridiculous, Apple. Okay. Alright, she's intact. I don't know. That's kind of sus. Nah, we good. What up, y'all? Tight Shirt Terry Warfield. Today we not talking about cameras. We're talking about the iPhone 13. Y'all already know it's iPhone day. Hope you're having a good day. So today we are going to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro in all of its glory. You see it right here on the table. And also I want to tell you why I chose the iPhone 13 Pro over the Mini and the Pro Max, because you know the iPhones are totally different this time around. So let's just hop right into it, right? First of all, we can get out of here with this crap that can go somewhere. iPhone 13 Pro is right here. Yeah, you see it in all of its freaking glory. Dirty box and everything, you know what I'm saying? Let me make sure that's in focus up there. Yeah, we good to go. So let's just hop right into it. That's the 12 Pro right here, iPhone 13 Pro. Now I picked graphite, and I'm gonna talk about that in 1 second. But shh. All right, that was corny. I thought it was gonna make some noise, but shout out to Apple for the pull tabs. That's real cute, right? So put those to the side. Now, yeah, that's it. Look how minimal that is. That is a huge camera bump. Why is the phone so dirty? I'm not understanding this. Are y'all seeing this? What is all this dirt on the inside? All right, typical crap from Apple. Nothing in the freaking box. Goodbye. Another lightning cable. Shout out to Apple for using another lightning cable. Goodbye. And let's just go ahead and get this minimal box out the way and get to the iPhone 13 Pro. I gotta say right off the rip, oh my Lord. This looks so fresh. Like, this is the gold one, right? I'm gonna go ahead and hold on, I'm gonna put it up to this mic. Woo! Did you hear that? So this is the gold iPhone 12 Pro. Now I really liked initially the gold color, but I didn't like so much how the back was like this creamy color. I don't really like that creamy color. If the whole phone would have been black, gold trim and black on the back, whoo, would have been butter. But this time I wanted to go for the space gray or titanium, whatever they call this. What do they call this color? But this looks so freaking fresh. I am loving this color. Now, as you can see right here, the difference in the camera bump is freaking huge. This camera bump is massive compared to the 12 Pro. Other than that, they're just about the same size, same dimensions. This one actually feels heavier. The 13 Pro does feel heavier. I don't know if it's heavier by specs, but yeah, so let's go ahead and put the gold 12 Pro away. Also, let me know what color you picked. I'm super curious to hear y'all thoughts. I want to know what the boys think about, like, which color do they prefer. Let's go ask them real quick. Hey, Ken.
Yeah.
I need to ask you a question. All right, here's two iPhones. There's a space gray one and there's a gold one. Get this blanket out of here. Which one of them would you pick? Don't scrape them together. Pick them both up and let me know which one do you prefer. What color?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
You ain't even look at the front of them though. Pick the other one up. Hold them side by side. Which one you think you like?
This one now.
The gray one?
No.
You sure that's your final choice?
Yes.
Which one, Ken? My guy.
Oh no. Oh no.
What you playing? Rocket League?
Mm-hmm.
You won?
Yeah.
You a scrub. I got a question for you. All right, pick these iPhones up, both of them, and let me know what color you think is the best one. Don't scrape them together.
This one.
Wait. Flip them over and look at the back. Which one you think?
This one.
The gold one?
Like,
You keep changing answers.
I'm thinking. This one.
Wait, which one? Oh, the gray one. Okay then. You sure?
Yeah.
All right. All right, you heard what they said. Personally, I'm loving this one right here, the space gray one or whatever it's called. But I'm curious to know which one that you thinking about getting or which one did you cop. The next thing I want to do is talk about why I went for the iPhone 13 Pro and not the iPhone mini, not the standard iPhone 13, and not the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's get into it. So, I think that the iPhone Pro series is the perfect size. Now, last year I kind of felt like I got ripped off, right? Because I'm like, oh man, I should have got the 12 Pro Max because that was the one that they put sensor shift in. That was the one that they put the bigger sensors. You know, they gave the 12 Pro Max last year all the sauce. But this year, I don't feel as ripped off as I do last time around because all of the sauce we got across all of the phones. Now, I think it's also crazy how last year's upgrades, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, y'all remember that? You had to get that phone if like you wanted the bigger sensor and all that stuff we just talked about. This year, shout out to Apple for not making everybody make those same compromises and decisions. So I went with the 13 Pro because I feel like the 13 Pro for me is the perfect size. Now, I probably should have put some lotion on. That's another problem. But let's talk about the Pro Max. In my opinion, the Pro Max is just too big of a device for me. This fits perfectly in the pants pocket, in the coat pocket. The 13 Pro Max, I've held other Pro Maxes and they are freaking huge, yo. I mean, especially when we go into the gym, I'm always on the go. It's just too big and too unwieldy for me to use as a day-to-day phone. Conversely, the iPhone 13 mini, although they did sauce up the 13 mini this year, got a bigger battery, it's got some camera improvements and all that stuff. Ultimately, I also don't want a phone that freaking tiny. I know that sounds crazy. I would like the tiny size, but when it comes at the cost of battery life and screen size, yeah, I'll go with the middle grade one. Now, let's also talk about the other reasons why I went for the 13 Pro over the iPhone 13 mini and the regular iPhone 13. And that's because, honestly, I wanted 120 hertz. I know the Samsung fanboys, if they ain't here, they could be like, oh, the 120 hertz doesn't matter. We've been had that. Man, shut up. We talking about Apple iPhones. This is new in iPhones. And if you've never went from 60 to 120 hertz, it's a pretty big freaking difference. Now, I know that it's dynamic scaling and all that. We ain't gonna get into the specificities and all that, but I'm just happy to see 120 hertz on the iPhone 13 Pro. The second reason why I really wanted the iPhone 13 Pro over the iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 normal one is because I wanted the camera improvement. Now, I'm super pumped about macro mode. I'm super pumped about cinematic mode. Although I know it has some bugs, I think it's great to see that in a freaking phone. And all in all, this is one sexy phone. You know what I'm saying? This is a gorgeous phone. Let's put this up in the camera real quick. Let's get some of that action. You see that? That's the 13 Pro, and that is the 12 Pro. Let's put them side by side again. This is the 13 Pro, this is the 12 Pro. I'm pretty pumped about upgrading. I can't wait to see what these new cameras do. So make sure if you have not subscribed, if you like this video, if you have not joined the fam already, go ahead and join the fam right now. It's a great time. Hit that subscribe and that notification bell. And if you did like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you a hater, make sure you hit that dislike button 2 times. Now, I'm about to get out of here and get this snazzy new fingerprint written iPhone 13 Pro set up, and make sure you stay tuned for the videos coming after this because we're gonna be doing a whole lot of iPhone camera content. Piece of chicken grease, I'm out. Terry Warfield. Peace.